In this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can use a password manager. Now, there are many password manager out there that you can use. For this video, I'll be using ProtonPass. I'll leave links to some of the best password managers in the description of this video. So to get started, hit the link in the description for ProtonPass, right? Once you're on the website, select create free account. For the purpose of this video, we're going to go with the free plan. Scroll down, provide your email address and the password. Then select start using ProtonPass now. Provide your verification code and then select verify. So now my account is being created. Here you want to download this PDF just in case you get locked out. You have it so you can recover your account. Right? Select continue. And because I'm using Edge, I'm going to select get ProtonPass for Edge. So once I add this extension and I had passwords, if I go on a website, it will automatically fill the password on that website, right? That's how it works for websites. So I'm going to select done. So here I'm just going to select continue without pinning. Now on this page, select connect your Proton account. Now enter your password to sign in. So that what you see popped up on my screen, this one. This is NordPass. The link will be in the description as well. So NordPass is ready to use. So I can go ahead and import passwords in my password manager. So here you can see these are some password managers that you can import passwords from. Now if you're using Chrome, you should be able to access your password manager from your extensions, right? So here I'm going to go to my extensions and here I have the ProtonPass. I'm just going to select it. Here you can click this little icon to open navigation and then select open web app if you want to go on it on the website. So here I'm going to select sign in with Proton. So this is what it looks like on the web portal. Now to create a password, right? Let's say you want to store your password for your email address. Select create a login. Let's say Gmail. Provide the Gmail address. Let's say mr@yahoo.com and then you provide your password test 1 2 3 4, right? And then you just select create login. Now you'd have successfully created your first login or your login in KeePass. So to view this password here, you can just select the view icon to show the password. To add more items, you just select the plus, select the type of item that you want to use. Let's say another login, and then you just do the same thing. And here you could even provide a website, right? So that's basically it in a nutshell on how you use a password manager. Most of them are pretty standard in terms of the feature they offer, right? Remember guys, I'll leave a link in the description of this video to other password managers that you can check out. I personally like ProtonPass. Very easy to use and very straightforward, just like this one. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.